So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are stay good and stay positive. So today topic we are going to see about your person next action, like what your person will be do, and as well as this reading is for the water sign like Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. If at all you guys are, if at all your zodiac sign is in Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio, you can watch this video. So we can see about your person next action, and as well as we can see your person channel or message as well, like what they want to say and how they are feeling right now. Okay. So guys, if at all you are looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. Okay, so guys, please give your like, share, and subscribe. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Please give your support. Please give your support. So let's see about the water element for the Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. So what will be happen next from your person end? Okay, I'm getting a lot of jumping cards here. So bottom of the deck we get the mirror. Okay, there will be some kind of a heavy chances that you both are mirroring each other. The first message we get stabbed in the back. Okay. The next messages we get kisses. And the next message we get the mirror. And the next message we get the paradise. Next message we get ascending. Sunglasses. And then the love call. Let me take some more extra cards. Just let me clarify that stabbed in the back. Okay, so I don't know, like multiple times I get this messages like a girl with a snake. Okay, and the twin flames and the love. Okay, so I think there may be some kind of chances for the third party involvement in some kind of a cases. There may be heavy chances for the third party involvement because again and again, like for the 3 times I have been shuffled to take a clarity, and again I just get the messages like a girl with a snake. This message have been came up for me like very repeatedly. Okay. So like overall I can see that from your person's side that so either you or your person thinking that they have been like you have been stabbed on their back. Okay, so for some cases you maybe think that your person have been stabbed on your back, on where other side your person is thinking that you have been stabbed on their back. Because some kind of a negative energy is going on in your connection, so I hope you maybe feel that as well. So you in the past you may be not on the same page. You maybe think that you have been stabbed on their back. Sorry, you maybe think that your person have been stabbed on the back, while your person have been thinking that you have been stabbed on their back. So this was been happened on the past. Okay, for some kind of a cases you maybe think that this person was be like physically attracted towards you, but not in the emotional manner. Okay, so you maybe think that this person have been came into your life only for the physical things, but not taking this relationship in the next level. So that kind of an energy you maybe feel from your person's side. So that's the reason I can see this stabbed in the back. So guys, like universe is making your connection to be in a very grounded level, and as well as it will try to be get improved. Your situation will try to get improved, because when I see this ascending card I can clearly see that there is some kind of an improvement will be happening on your relationship. And with the mirror and with the sunglasses I can again say you that there may be some kind of a chances your person will strongly spying on you, keeping their eye on you. They are collecting the information they are collecting like they are collecting some kind of information about you. Okay, they are keep watching you. You maybe think that this person is not watching you. Okay, but this person is watching you from the far. This person is keep watching each and every status which you have been keeping here, and as well as this person is keep watching each and every moves of you. It's not about this person is spying on you, spying on you on a social media. It's not like that. This person is keep watching each and every moment of yours. Okay, so and as well as I can see with the paradise, there may be some kind of a new beginning, or else there may be some kind of a reconciliation vibe can also be happened. But I'm seeing a three set of scenario here, so we can choose which could be rested with you. Some kind of for some kind of a people, there may be some kind of a strong chances that you maybe get a reconciliation from your person, and there may be some kind of an you try to initiate, or else your person will try to communicate. So maximum I can feel that your person will try to communicate with you with the love call. I can see that there may be strong chances that your person will try to communicate with you. For other segments of the people, I can see that there may be some kind of a third party involvement is there in this relationship to ruin your connection. Okay, so that you are waiting for this person call and text messages, but this person have been busy with their third party. This person is busy with the other person. Okay, for some kind of the cases, I can see that this person has come into the realization point that this third party have been treated them in a bad manner, and so that this person right now want to put the effort towards you. Right now they want to take some kind of an action towards you. So I can see some kind of a three set of scenario. Take how it resonate with you. Okay, so because I can see the multiple energies here, so even though this is be like a zodiac sign reading for because I'm taking this as general, I can see that a lot of multiple energies are here. So that's the reason I have been explained each and every set, so that you will try to understand that which set is suitable for you. Okay, so these are the energies I can see from your person and for the next action. So let's see about your person feelings towards you. For the water element, let's see your person feelings towards you, what their channel or messages for the Pisces, Cancer and the Scorpio. So bottom of the deck we get, I will wait for the sign from you. Okay, so this person is wanting to communicate with you. Okay, and the next message, sometime I stay awake thinking about you, stay awake thinking about you. So you are a lot in their head, what I have been said. This person is spying you a lot heavily. And next card we get, I wish I could share my good news with you. Maybe this person have some kind of an some kind of a good news to be shared. I don't know like what could be the good news. So I couldn't let you get close to me. So this person know that they have created some kind of a distance. So when it comes to the third party kind of set people, so I think this person have maintained some kind of a distance from you. So right now they are thinking about that a lot, deep thinking about a lot. They are analyzing the situation. And the next we get the card like, it was my fault but I blamed you. So they know that what the mistake they have been done before. Okay, so because of any kind of a third party influence or something like that, this person may have treated you in a wrong manner. So they know that what their fault. I want to reach out but I'm afraid. So that may be it's be like an in and out kind of an energy, hot and cold kind of an energy, because they want to communicate with you. I will wait for a sign from you. I want to reach out but I'm afraid. So even though this person is trying to be afraid, even though this person is trying to be neglect the situation as of now, but I think this person will try to put the effort. This person will try to put the effort, and this person will do communicate. It's not like you need to be go and communicate with this person. I think that this person will come and communicate with you. Don't react when I don't react when people mention you. So this person, this person is acting that they are cold, you are not matter for them, but you are matter for them, because this person is keep their eye on you, and this person is keeping this person is keep spying on you a lot heavily, and they are trying to analyze you, and that's the reason now they want to try to communicate with you a lot, because I can see that this person is feeling some kind of an open-hearted energy now. So there may be heavy chances that your person will try to communicate with you. Okay, so there may be some kind of a strong reconciliation, and as well as there may be some kind of a truth revelation will be happen as well. So these are the energy I can see from your person. And for the water element, Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio, I hope it could be resonating with you. I hope it could be give you some kind of a clarity and guidance. So guys, if at all it give you some kind of a clarity and guidance, if at all you like my video, if at all it resonated with you, please do like, share and subscribe. And as well as if at all you're watching my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my welcome you all to my channel, guys. If at all your friends and family members may be interested on the tarot reading, please do recommend my channel to them. Please do share my videos to them so that they can also get some kind of a clarity. So if at all you guys like any kind of a personal, if at all you want to take any kind of a personal reading, you can do reach out either on my WhatsApp or else on my Instagram. So both the details have been given on the pinned comment. You can check with that. And next thing, guys, if at all you want to learn any kind of a tarot classes, you can also join on my classes. I'm teaching from basic to advanced. So for the like more detail, you can text me either on my WhatsApp or else my Instagram. Okay, so both the details have been given in the pinned comment. You can go and check with that. And next thing, guys, for the next video I will be post for the August month, related to the August month, like how the August month will be for all the zodiac sign. I will be posted, so please stay tuned. And one more time I just want to say you that, so guys, please give it love and support. Please give it support. Please do subscribe. Please do subscribe, because your subscription will be motivates me a lot. It will definitely motivates me a lot. That is really makes me feel happy, and that will definitely makes me very positive. So guys, please give it support. Please give it support. Stay tuned for the next video. Until that, love you all. Take care. See you guys in the next video as well. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye, Water Element.